Forget that. Howdy-ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here. Kind of jumped the gun. So excited about taking part in this Gladiator challenge with growing something from the store. These is a sweet pepper that we noticed at the store, and Mrs. Arkansas Pilgrim loves these. So I went ahead and cut it open. Got some seeds. Gonna plant them here. I know we're supposed to just grow two. I'll only use two in the contest, but I am going to plant, probably end up making 8 plants. I'm doing 8 of every other pepper. Haven't decided what the other veggie's going to be yet, but hey, I'll film that next, edit it all together. We'll see both. Okay, it's been almost 3 weeks since I got the seeds out of the pepper and planted those, and then took me a couple of days to decide on the second one being a cantaloupe, and I fermented those seeds in some water for a few days and then started drying them, as you saw in the picture. And now here they are, already sprouted. The pepper seeds here on the bottom, and the cantaloupes coming up here up on the top. So we're going to see how this all works out. God bless y'all. See you next time.